Consume this drink helps you lose weight quickly and easily. Many people have tried several ways to lose weight but still not succeeded. If you are one of them, consume this drink to see the difference. This drink will help you burn off all the unwanted fat, and it also improves your health. You'll lose a lot of weight after consuming this drink because it hastens the body metabolism. The preparation of this drink is very simple. Firstly, you need 4 grams of fresh ginger. Cut it into thin slices. Ginger will warm your body up by increasing blood flow and circulation thanks to its thermogenic properties. The thermogenic properties of ginger will accelerate your metabolism in order to reset the normal temperature of the body. Next, prepare 25 grams of parsley and chop them. Parsley has listed calories and contains many essential nutrients. The enzymes in parsley break down food and release nutrients from the proteins, fats, and carbohydrates that you consume, thereby improving digestion and helping you lose weight easier. The next ingredient is lime or lemon. Choose which ones is available in your kitchen. Take 2 limes and cut them into slices. Studies have shown that consuming lime juice will boost your metabolism and keep you hydrated. It is low in calories and creates satiety. You eat less and lose weight. Now, take a blender and add ginger, parsley, and lime into it. Then let the blender side, and next you will need to prepare cinnamon to combine with the ingredients in the blender. To make cinnamon water, take a saucepan and break about 6 grams of cinnamon sticks into it. Cinnamon is also a thermogenic element that raises your body temperature, accelerates metabolism, and burns off more fat. Besides, cinnamon controls the amount of insulin in your blood and prevents fat storage in your belly. Then pour 1 liter of water in the saucepan. Put this saucepan on the stove and boil with medium heat until the water looks a little red. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes. After this time, turn off the heat and let the cinnamon water cool down until it is lukewarm. When the cinnamon water is lukewarm, pour it into the blender. Finally, add 10 ml into the blender. Mint stimulates digestive enzymes and boosts nutrient absorption. When nutrient assimilation works properly, the metabolism improves and then it aids weight loss. At this time, all necessary ingredients are already in the blender. Turn it on and blend until getting a homogeneous mixture. Pour the drink into a cup and add 1 teaspoon of honey to sweeten if you want. Here's how to use this drink to lose weight quickly. The right time to consume this drink is in the morning when your stomach is empty and in the evening before you go to bed. Consume it for 2 days by drinking 250 ml in the morning and 250 ml in the evening, or consume it for 1 day by drinking 500 ml in the morning and 500 ml in the evening. You should not consume over 1 liter of this drink per day, and make sure that you drink plenty of water while drinking this weight loss drink.